Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get more shifts on Skip the Dishes. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Skip the Dishes application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application, guys, go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can see all the info about Skip the Dishes, you can see the restaurants, you can see search orders and so on. But guys, if you're a delivery driver, this will look a bit different, and if you do not know how to become a delivery driver, then all you have to do is just go ahead and click your profile icon in the upper right corner, and this will open up this new menu where you want to scroll down until you find this option to drive with Skip, and we click on become a courier, which is going to open up a new page where you can just go ahead and sign in and log in with your credentials and then follow the steps to get started as a delivery driver. So guys, now if you have done that guys, now we want to know how do we get more shifts and how do we get started working shifts. Well guys, the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and see how to accept shifts. Your UI is going to look like something like this, where you can see your schedule. So basically guys, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your schedule and see the available shifts. If you have no shifts available guys, what you have to do is to go ahead and go to a populated place in your area where there are a lot of restaurants, where a lot of orders are happening, because this is where you will be getting the most shifts, and this is where the most people are needed. So guys, go ahead and select the shift that you want, just click on the plus sign and click on the start shift option, and after that you can start your shift and you'll be seeing a lot more shifts if you are in a popular area. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.